Good morning. It's 7 a.m. I'm waking up. I need to get ready for work. It's time to wake up. Where is my son? He is usually in my bed at this time. Thomas? Are you awake? Oh no. Thomas, are you okay? You look very sick.
Mom, I don't feel good. My head hurts. I'm hot.
You're hot. Let me check. Oh my God, you have a high fever. Thomas, do you have a sore throat? Can you talk?
Yes, Mom, I can talk, but my throat hurts. And I'm coughing.
Cough, cough.
Oh, my poor baby. When did you start feeling sick?
I don't know. Yesterday was fine. But at night, I started coughing.
Okay, you need medicine. Let me call the doctor. Can you stay in bed? Don't get up.
Okay, Mom. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep.
Sleep, baby. I'll be right back. I need to go to the pharmacy to buy medicine for you. Medicine. I need to buy medicine. Where are the car keys? Ah, here they are.
Good morning. Why are you going out so early? It's not even 8 a.m. yet.
Robert, Thomas is very sick. He has a high fever and a sore throat. He's coughing a lot.
Oh no. Is he okay? What did the doctor say?
I didn't call the doctor yet, but I think he has the flu. I'm going to the pharmacy to buy medicine.
Do you want me to go with you?
No, it's okay. Stay here and take care of Thomas. I'll be back in 20 minutes.
Okay. Take your phone. And drive carefully.
Don't worry, I will. Bye. The pharmacy is near the supermarket. I need to get there fast. Thomas has a fever. He needs medicine. I hope the pharmacy has children's medicine. What is his temperature? I think it's around 39 degrees. That's very high. Come on, green light. Let's go. Finally, here we go. The pharmacy is just 5 minutes away. I can see it. Hello. I need help, please.
Good morning. How can I help you?
My son is sick. He has a high fever, a sore throat, and he is coughing. What medicine do you recommend?
How old is your son?
He's 8 years old.
Okay. Does he have any allergies? Is he allergic to any medicine?
No, he isn't allergic to anything. What do you recommend?
I recommend this medicine. It's good for fever and cough. Is for children from 6 to 12 years old.
How do I use this medicine? I've never given this to him.
Give him 1 spoon 3 times a day. It tastes like strawberry. Most children like it.
Okay, that sounds good. How much is it?
It's $15.90. Do you want anything else?
No, that's enough. But can you tell me, should I call a doctor?
It depends. If the fever doesn't go down in 2 days, or he gets worse, yes, call a doctor. But usually, this medicine works very well.
Okay, thank you. That is very helpful.
You're welcome. I hope your son feels better soon. Here's your receipt.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Great. I have the medicine. Thomas will feel better soon. The pharmacist said it's a good medicine. Let's go home. Robert, I'm home.
You're back. How was the pharmacy?
Good. I got the medicine for Thomas. The pharmacist said it's very good for fever and cough.
That's great. He's sleeping now. He was very tired.
Good. Let me go see him. He's sleeping. His face is so red. Poor baby. I'll give him the medicine now. Son, honey, wake up to take your medicine.
Mom? I'm glad you're back.
This is strawberry flavor. Try it. This medicine will help you. You will feel better soon.
It's tasty.
It tastes like strawberry.
I told you, the pharmacist said it was tasty.
Mom, thank you for getting me medicine. Mom, can you stay here with me?
Of course, baby. I love you. My job is to take care of you. Sleep more, okay? You need rest.
Okay, Mom. I'll sleep. I love you, Mom.
He's sleeping. The pharmacist said if the fever doesn't go down in 2 days, I should call the doctor.
Okay, but I'm sure he will be fine. Kids get sick, and they get better very fast.
I know, but he's my baby. I just worry, you know?
Stay calm. You're a great mom. Don't worry. He will be okay.
Mom, are you here?
Hi, baby. How are you feeling?
Better, I think. But I'm thirsty.
Of course. Let me get you some water. The medicine will start working soon. Here, drink this water. It's good for you. Now sit here on the sofa with Mom and Dad to watch a movie.
Can I choose the movie?
Of course, my love. Choose whatever you want. Thank you for watching my video. Today, you learned about a very common situation. When your child or someone you know is sick and you need to go to the pharmacy. You learned new words like sick, fever, medicine, pharmacy, sore throat. You also learned how to talk to a pharmacist. Do you have children? Have you ever gone to the pharmacy to buy medicine? Tell me in the comments. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!